Go play. Go play. Go swim. I'm queen of the snow. Go ahead, baby. Go swim. Go ahead. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go ahead. Oh, you can't go up on that one, baby. That's too tall. Now you can't go out of fence. Go ahead. Go in this pile. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Go on. Go for it. Go for it. Go swim. Go swim. Go for a swim. Drop it. Thank you. Go swimming. Oh, did it freeze up on you and can't swim no more? There you go. Good girl. Having fun? Are you having fun, baby? Are you having fun? There we go. Have fun. Chase it. Chase it. There we go. There we go. Snow puppy. Sandy, what you doing? What you doing? I'm queen of the world. Sandy, babe. Hi. Hi. What you doing? I'm queen of the world. Are you having fun, baby? You having fun? You having fun playing in the snow? Are you having fun in the snow? Go swimming. Go swimming in the snow. Go swim in the snow. No, not on that side. On the other side, babe. You can't get up there. That's too high. That's too high. You can't get up in that pile. Well, maybe you can. Well, maybe you can. Are you having fun, baby girl? Sandy, babe. Sandy, come over here and swim. You can swim better over here. Oh no, we're having fun. Oh, the crust holds you over here. You can walk over on that one, yeah. Yeah? Is it fun? You can stand up on that one, huh? Be careful, it may not be solid all the way through, babe. That may not be solid all the way through, baby. What happened to your yard? What happened to your yard, babe? What happened to your yard, pup? Huh? What happened? Look at the tail go wiggy wag. Oh, there's some grass. We found some grass. We found grass. Is there grass over there, babe? Is there grass? Oh, we're gonna run. Sandy, come here. Come here, little girl. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Snow swimming. More snow swimming. Sandy the bouncing pup. Are you having fun, little girl? Come on in, baby. Come on, little girl. Come on. Come on, baby girl. You done? You want to swim some more? Sandy, come here, babe. Little girl, come here. You listen more diddly squat, little girl. I'm watching you. I see you. Sandy, don't go back there.